I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing Chrome so changes stick. Update Chrome now, then open the address bar and type Chrome//flags. Once there, search for Auto Dark Mode for web contents and set it to Enabled. This flag applies a dark rendering across many pages. After that, click Relaunch to restart the browser. This is the step that turns the rendering engine toward dark colors. Make sure to save any work before relaunching, because Chrome will close all windows and reopen them immediately. Once the flag is active, you may want more control. Install Dark Reader or a similar extension to tweak brightness, contrast, and per site toggles. This gives cleaner, less aggressive inversion than the flag. Then, make sure Chrome's UI matches by going to Menu Settings Appearance and choosing a dark theme if needed. If a site renders incorrectly, use the extension's Site Toggle or disable the flag for that tab. This layered approach balances global forcing with precise exceptions for problematic pages. To finish, verify night mode across a variety of sites and desktop UI elements. Clear cache if some pages still show old styles. Make sure both Chrome and your dark mode extension are up to date, and test in an incognito window to see if extensions cause conflicts. If a page breaks or looks unreadable, disable the Auto Dark Mode flag or toggle off the extension for that site, then relaunch Chrome. One key troubleshooting tip: disabling the flag and using Dark Reader often fixes broken layouts without losing dark mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.